Hi, how's it going? I've been watching a video by Atomic Shrimp, I'll put a link below, where he made some butter using a hand method, and I thought, why don't we give that a try? Let's see how it works out. So, we're going to need cream, your bowl. Let's begin. Right, I'm not sure on measurements or anything. I've got this double cream here. Let's open it up and dump it in. Get everything we can. Spoons full. Now, I've never attempted this before. I don't know if the Atomic Shrimp's video is genuine or a hoax because I have no way of knowing. My hands are washed. I'm not sure of that. So, basically, he just started to stir it by hand in a bowl. Let's see what happens. It's literally a stainless steel bowl, a carton of cream, and clean washed hands. And it's got a few lumps in it. Maybe that's it starting. Who knows? I don't know which direction or how fast to do it. I've only watched this video once. I'm trying not to beat air into it by being gentle. It is definitely changing viscosity. And it's doing it fast. Now look at that. Wow. That is incredible. Literally just my hand going round and round. I'm not whipping air in. I'm not heating it. I'm not chilling it. I'm literally just stirring it. And it is thickening up. It's getting quite difficult to stir now. And when Atomic Shrimp did this, his seemed to separate. I don't know how much longer for it to become butter. If you look at the texture now, it's taking on a more sort of scrambled eggy type look now. Don't know how long to carry this on for. And the feel on my hands is becoming granular. I do believe we've reached the critical stage where the buttermilk is coming out and leaving us with the butter. Look at this. That's a block of butter. And there's the buttermilk sloshing about in the bottom there. This is amazing. So, we will go with what Atomic Shrimp did, and we'll get some water. Fresh potable water. Just from the cold tap. And basically, just give it a swish about in there. really not sure, so move that buttermilk out of the way. We'll move that, put it on the board here, and we'll see if we can get some sort of shape. Probably not the right tool to use. I use Himalayan pink salt, but I don't imagine the kind of salt you use is critical. I think what we'll do, I'll let this stand a little bit. Okay, so it's been a few minutes. Been letting this chill a bit in the fridge. Cleaned up a bit of mess we've made, obviously. And now we're going to sample on a couple of crackers. Let's see what we think. Yeah, it's firm enough. Spreads okay. Looks and feels like butter. Should maybe put a tiny bit more salt in it, or mixed it a bit more thoroughly. I've got a nice pat of butter, homemade. Could have done with a little bit more salt, but that's just personal taste. I've got some buttermilk which I've put away. I'll be using that in scrambled eggs, so there's no wastage. So thank you for watching, and thank you Atomic Shrimp for your video. Bye now.